talk, more cringe talk.
What else they got?
Hey, sir.
Oh, wow.
Yes, baby.
Hey, Daddy. I mean, Danny.
Did you just call me daddy?
I'm really sorry. I didn't.
Do you remember?
I feel uncomfortable.
Dude, what is going on?
You call me daddy.
This baby boy comes in.
I lost my friend today. Chanel!
I don't want to see this.
I
This
kind
is
of
too
want to see
much.
this one.
It's too much.
What's this guy gonna do? Oh, never mind. Never mind. That was a good one. Oh, this is not a good one.
What the fuck, dude? That's weird as fuck.
Look at Anubis.
Oh, look at the face. That's so scary, dude. What the fuck?
It doesn't look like that's like a green screen background. It looks like they're actually in a. Oh no, it's really green screen background.
An enemy stand. You fuck with JoJo?
Yeah, I love JoJo.
Oh, hell yeah.
Stuck in a Schnozzwagen.
Okay, this is the most annoying part of this, though.
Yeah.
Like, we get it. Like, you wanted to make it original content. You didn't just, like, fucking, you know, piece together some of the worst TikToks you've ever seen. You don't have to fucking go every time.
What? There's a kid in my middle school that was like a
brony?
yeah, and
No.
I sometimes think back and like wonder what he's doing with his life right now.
He's in jail, probably.
Yeah, it's 50-50.
Is it more acceptable to be a brony when you're younger or as an adult?
It wasn't acceptable then, and I don't think it's.
But, like,
acceptable.
which one is more acceptable?
Probably when you're a little kid, or like younger, because it's like a little kid show. If you're like a 40-year-old man that's watching My Little Ponies, it's even more concerning.
Yeah.